Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Audi A3 glow plugs. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery. Make sure the engine is completely cool to avoid damaging the cylinder head. Gather all your tools, including a specialized glow plug socket and a torque wrench, before you begin. Next, you'll need to access the glow plugs. Start by removing the engine cover and any other parts blocking your access. Gently disconnect the electrical connectors from each glow plug. Before removal, clean the area around the glow plugs thoroughly to prevent dirt from falling into the combustion chamber. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the removal and installation. Use your glow plug socket to carefully loosen and remove the old plugs. Be gentle to avoid breakage. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of the new glow plugs. Install them by hand, then tighten to the manufacturer's specified torque using a torque wrench. Finally, reconnect all the electrical connectors to your newly installed glow plugs. Reinstall any engine components and covers that you removed earlier. Reconnect the vehicle's battery. Start the engine to confirm proper operation and check for any dashboard warning lights. This ensures everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.